Top 5 best sounding trucks of all time. You know that feeling when a truck fires up and the sound sends chills down your spine? It's more than just an engine, it's a statement. A deep V8 growl or a turbo diesel rumble that tells everyone within earshot. Yeah, this truck's the real deal. Today, we're counting down the 5 best sounding stock trucks of all time. No mods, no aftermarket exhausts, just pure factory perfection. If you love a truck that sounds as good as it works, this list is for you. Truck number 5, GMC Sierra. Under its hood lies a 6.2-litre V8 that cranks out 420 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque. But it's not just about the numbers, it's about how it makes you feel. Start it up, and you're greeted with a deep, throaty rumble that's pure power on idle. Push the pedal, and that rumble turns into a growl, a satisfying roar that cuts through the noise and announces your arrival. Dynamic fuel management balances that raw sound with refinement. Whether you're towing, cruising the highway, or just rolling through the neighborhood, the Sierra Denali's engine turns heads and starts conversations. Truck number 4, LBZ Duramax. After General Motors tackled the injector issues of the LB7 and the overheating troubles of the LLY, they gave the world the LBZ. With stronger internals and a rock-solid design, it became the most reliable, powerful, and downright drivable Duramax engine ever built. What makes the LBZ sound so good? It all comes down to its variable geometry turbo, VGT. When the LBZ pulls out of a parking lot or rockets away from a stoplight, those vanes close up, limiting exhaust airflow and creating that signature whistle diesel fans can't get enough of. Truck number 3, GMC Cyclone. The GMC Cyclone was in a league of its own, powered by a Mitsubishi Turbo, a Garrett intercooler, and a 4.3-litre 6-cylinder engine. Sure, it wasn't a V8, but underestimating this machine was a mistake. This truck had a knack for embarrassing high-end sports cars. Corvettes struggled to keep up, and even Ferraris were left behind at times. It didn't roar like a V8 or rumble like a diesel, but the sound of the Cyclone was distinct and unmistakable. Truck number 2, Dodge Ram SRT-10. The SRT-10 pickup leaves an impression. It doesn't just rumble, it unleashes a symphony of raw V10 power. Dodge took a second-generation Viper engine and stuffed it into a Ram pickup. In 2004, they finally made it happen, creating an absolute monster. Under the hood sat an 8.3-litre V10 engine, cranking out 500 horsepower and 525 foot-pounds of torque. Its aggressive stance, blistering speed, and unmistakable thunder made it legendary. Truck number 1, Lamborghini LM002. The Lamborghini LM002 is a loud, proud beast that was ahead of its time. With a naturally aspirated V12 engine borrowed from the Lamborghini Countach, this truck brought supercar DNA into the off-road world. When the LM002 fires up, it's impossible to ignore. The deep rumble from its 5.2-litre V12 shakes the ground, and as the RPMs climb, it lets out a high-pitched scream that feels like a race car tearing through the desert. Only 300 of these were ever made, making it a rare gem. These 5 trucks don't just perform, they sound incredible. If you're a true truck enthusiast, let us know which one is your favorite in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more engine roars and automotive content.